Tornado warning has been issued for your area. Take shelter immediately. Severe weather team is tracking a confirmed tornado. Take shelter in a small, windowless interior room or hallway on the lowest floor of a sturdy structure. Avoid elevators. If you are in a home or small building, go to a basement or an inner hallway or room on the storm side of a house or a smaller room, without windows, such as a closet or bathroom. If you are in a vehicle or outdoors, move to the nearest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Large destructive tornadoes have been known to destroy mobile homes and even well-built homes. Tornadoes also pose a significant flood threat, and the heavy rain can result in dangerous flash flooding. Move to higher ground away from the water when possible. Tornadoes can occur in cities or suburbs, near coasts or in mountains. Tornadoes on the coast are almost always associated with hurricanes or other intense tropical systems. Some tornadoes develop suddenly and are difficult to see. A tornado watch means a tornado is possible in the watch area. Stay informed and be ready to act if a warning is issued.